নাভাদা স্কুলে ছাত্রছাত্রীরা উপস্থিত হয়েছে একরাশ গান, নাচ, আবৃত্তি ও নাটক নিয়ে, যা বাংলা, ইংরেজি, হিন্দি ভাষার মাধ্যমে আমাদের বিদ্যালয় চতুর্থ বাৎসরিক অনুষ্ঠানে এক মনোরম সাংস্কৃতিক সন্ধ্যার আয়োজন করেছে। অতএব আপনারা আসুন, আসন গ্রহণ করুন এবং শ্রবণ দর্শনের মাধ্যমে আমাদের অনুষ্ঠানটিকে সাফল্যমণ্ডিত করে তুলুন এবং নিজের ছেলে মেয়ে ভেবে ভুল ত্রুটি মার্জনা করুন। নমস্কার। আদার অভিনন্দন আবার। A very cool good evening, namaste and shubha sandhya to everyone present here.
Respected teachers, dear parents, honorable guests and my lovely friends, a big warm welcome to our 4th annual function, Daffodils. Today we are all gathered here to celebrate a special day full of achievement, memories and lots of excitement.
Yes, this day is super special because it's not just about performances, but it's also about showing how much hard work, talent and creativity our school family has. It's a big thank you to everyone who makes our school such a happy place.
This day is also about unity and togetherness. It's a day where we all come together to celebrate the spirit of our school, just like one big family.
Every year we choose a theme for our annual function. This year the theme is daffodils. Do you know what a daffodil is?
It's a beautiful flower that blooms after the cold winter. It stands for hope, happiness and new beginnings.
That's right, just like daffodils. We are here today to celebrate how we, the students, have grown and bloomed with the help of our amazing teachers, loving parents and our own hard work.
So, let's make this day a celebration of happiness, positivity and success. And yes, I Deepoida,
I Supriti Mondal
am so happy to be your host for the evening.
To begin this beautiful evening, we will start with the lamp lighting ceremony, which is a symbol of wisdom, knowledge and hope.
For this, I would like to invite our respected guest, Suprabhat Sir, Principal of Navada School, Subal Bor, Patron of Navada School, Subimol Bor, Patron of Navada School. Please come and light the lamp.